we will have a model where we give the image and then this image, so we give this image, okay, take this one, we give the triangle image that we got when we press the I key, and then in return we want to know if this has defects or it has no defects. In order to have this model, we need to train a model, so we need another module which we will call the trainer module, which will do the following things. We'll get the samples dataset. It means that we need to collect a lot of samples. Now I have like around hundreds of these where I have like triangles with defects, triangle with no defects. So we will collect all of them. This module right here will train a classification model. The purpose of the classification model is to, when we give hundreds of samples, when this will see new samples, we'll understand if that can be with defects or without defects. So when you, in a manufacturing line, we give a lot of car parts, you give hundreds car parts that have no defects, hundreds car parts that have defects. When then you take new car parts, this model should understand if these are defective or not. So this is the purpose of this module, trainer classification model, and that we can use in our core of the detection. Let's now build everything that I described right here. Now, an important part here is the choice of the model for classification. There are a lot of models, like from the older model, VGG16, VGG19, YOLO classification, and I had a few parameters that were important for me to make the right choice of the model. Not only it needs to be quite light to be performing very well with like CPUs and like low power devices, because the software might need to work on onboard devices like Raspberry Pi or NVIDIA Jetson, so it needs to be lightweight. It's important also that the license allows the open source use of this one. So YOLO classification, for example, despite it's a great model, it's a bit more limited with the licensing being AGPL3, and I wanted to look for something Apache 2.0. And also, in addition to this, I wanted to have a PyTorch implementation, because PyTorch is the fastest and most common library for computer vision.